So I had ordered OnePlus One yesterday from Amazon in India, and it came promptly in probably less than 24 hours. Yesterday morning I ordered it and it has come here today. So we have two boxes. I'm just going to do this quick unboxing video. You know, someone on an FB asked me today, so I said I might just do this quick video. So here is the adapter. This is the adapter box, and a brown box which I'm hoping that contains the phone. There you go. So first thing up, I'm going to open the adapter and check out. I have not opened the phone as of now. I said let me just do this. There you go. This is the India adapter. This is a good thing that they have done, you know, giving separate adapters for separate countries, so they don't have to tamper with the boxes. So I'm just going to open this bare brown box. There's nothing really on this box, you know. You can check this out. There's absolutely nothing. Let me just open this, or let me try and opening it from here. Keep this aside. Let me see. It does not. So okay, that's the easy way. It's a plain simple box, and I'm trying to open this. It's not easy. It's not perforated, just slightly perforated. So there you go. I have to struggle with this. Okay, so there is the box. First thing I can see is the SIM card tray. Oh, that's a nice packing. So SIM card tray, you can check this. Yeah, let's keep that aside for a moment. And what do we have? Okay, so I think I have to pull this up. So yes, so I'm going to keep this aside now. In the box, okay, so this red thing comes out. Nice. This is nice. And now let me try and figure out how to open this. Okay, so there you go. There you go. So you have the phone, the logo. I like those little pull strings that are there, you know, which, you know, you have to just pull them, and yes, and that's how the phone comes out. So check this. It has a protective covering on top, obviously, with some logos and, you know, directions to the tray. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the Sandstone 64 GB version. Okay. You know, this background, I don't know how to explain this. It's kind of lit, you know, it's soft. I don't know how to explain this, but you can say it's kind of hard velvet. Yeah, that would be a best way to describe the background. It's hard velvet. It's not soft velvet. I don't know how else I can describe this. You know, this background, I don't know how to explain this. It's kind of lit, you know, it's soft. I don't know how to explain this, but you can say it's kind of hard velvet. Yeah, that would be a best way to describe the background. It's hard velvet. It's not soft velvet. I don't know how else I can describe this. Coming onto the screen, I'm going to remove this protective covering now. Wow, and the screen looks really good. First up, So at the bottom we have these dual. So at the bottom we have this mini USB port and two dual speakers and the mic. On the left hand side you have the volume rocker, and if you can see this, it's the tray where my nano SIM card or the micro SIM card will go. At the top you have 3.5 mm jack, and on the right you have the on off button. Inside, now see what is there under this. Okay, so we have a USB cable, we have, what is this, an instruction booklet probably, yes, well packed. It's all red and white everywhere. So this is the instruction booklet, informational safety guide, yeah. And then we have a beautiful red USB cable. It's kind of really sleek. I think they've done this to fit it in the very flat box that we have. And we also have, this is, I think, the pin. If you can see, there you go. So this is the pin that it comes along with. So to sum it up, in the box you have the booklet, the USB, the pin, the charger, the tray, and the phone. So that is what we have. Here is the phone. So that wraps our unboxing video. Don't have much, no fancy things, but whatever is there looks quite sleek.